All right, you all. I am about to embark on a new mission in the house. So if you take a look behind me, you can see exactly what I'm doing. And so I stuffed the vehicle with 17 bags of KRAFT face insulation. And right now I'm leaving the store. I know that the goal is not to get it all done today. However, the goal is to make sure that I get a little bit at a time, so that way when I am ready for it, it is there. And so I am going to go ahead and get this installation unloaded. I'm going to get it inside the house. I'm going to start today. I got my staple gun already, but I did run out of staples because when I went through and stapled up some things on the window, I utilized almost all the staples. So what I'm going to do is I purchased some more staples. Going to get this stuff in the house. I'm going to get started. Not sure if I'm going to have the footage going or not, you all, but I did want to come and reach out to you all to let you know what the next step is. And so the electrical is done. The plumbing is getting started here shortly, probably this week, along with the HVAC. And with the HVAC, I am going to hold off on the AC unit. However, I'm going to get the heating and vents, get all ductworks done. The trunks, I'm going to keep a few trunks, get those blasted out because those are good. Get a high efficiency furnace up in there. And, you know, I should be set with going in there and working on it over the next whatever amount of time that it takes. And so this insulation in the back, it is R-13 insulation. The higher the R value, the more insulated it is. It starts at R11. You know what? I was looking and I saw somewhere where it was like R8. I've never heard of that, but R11 is the least amount of R value that I've seen. And as the R value on this insulation increases, so does the depth of the wall. So if you have 2x4 construction, it's usually R11, R13, R15. If you have 2x6 framing frames, then it goes up beyond that to R19, R21, etc. And so what you don't want to do is you don't want to get the higher R value and then squish it and smush it in between the studs, the framing studs, because when you compress it like that, it loses its R value, and people really don't know that. And so make sure that you do your research on that, so that way you don't mess up your money, you know. And so I did get the one with the facing on it because it serves as like which is like that outside paper, and it usually serves as a vapor retardant or vapor barrier. And it also allows you to take the flap that's on the end and to staple it to the studs. And so there's two ways that people usually staple it to the studs. One, either overlapping it on the top of the stud, the facing of the stud, and sometimes drywallers don't like that because if you do not get the staple all the way through, it kind of like could possibly make the drywall installation a little bit more difficult to level out. However, a lot of people like to staple the facing to the insides of the wall, so that way it doesn't interfere. So I'm going to probably more than likely do mine to the inside of the wall, because little do you know, I still got to take out some old staples that's on the front facing. And so just wanted to check in with you all. I hope you are having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel, you all. I am Monique D. Come and rehab with D. See you on the next one.